Hi folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first. Wanted to take a minute to talk about this pantry area, this utility cabinet basically is what they're called. And I want to show this feature. This is something that I do as a design element because I think it looks nicer. If you look at this utility cabinet here, you can see that there's 6 doors on it, and they're all the same. They're all the same height. If we look here, they've got nice lines. Everything's nice and clean all the way through here. And it really does have 6 doors on it. But this side here I wanted to focus on. I want to focus on this side. This side here is a broom closet. And there's one thing with brooms is that they're actually taller than the rest of the layout. This is designed, the way this is designed is this door height, this upper door, is designed to line up. As you look through the whole kitchen, it wants to line up with this door over here. So when you stand back, everything has nice lines. Nothing's up and down and looking stupid. But wanted to show you what we did here because the brooms are higher in a unit like this. We mauled these 2 doors together. You see that? These 2 doors mauled together from the inside. And as you look in here, you can look in here and you can see the brooms, different things hanging up in here. It's all nice and neat. It's got a place for all those plastic bags that you recycle and use for other things. Place for your cleaning products in here. And it's nice and clean. If we go ahead and we step back, you can see how that was done. And it was done with purpose and with thought. And when you close it up, it gives the appearance that everything in there is the same. It looks all the same. It looks even. It looks clean. It looks neat. That's what you want from a professional cabinet person, is somebody who has that kind of forethought. So hey, we'd love to help you out in your kitchen. Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first.